Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Creality High Combo and more importantly, 2 Creality CFS units. I would be here with the Creality K2 Plus, but carrying that 80-pound behemoth down 2 flights of stairs by myself is probably not a great idea. I will take you upstairs to my print shop to have a look at that next. Because the reason we are here is to talk about stacking 2 CFS units in a usable manner in a smaller space. I have a K2 Plus with 2 CFS, and I've really been struggling, especially because it's so darn big, that adding 2 large CFS makes it so darn big. And here I have 2 CFS with my high combo as well. The good news, the high combo and the K2 Plus use the same CFS. That means both technically could have, if I needed, 3 or 4 CFS units. While 3 or 4 CFS might be somewhat extreme, owning 2 is not terribly uncommon. I'm here to show you an easy, low-cost way to store and use 2 CFS units with your high combo or your K2. Bambu users can take advantage of this with their AMS units as well. Let's say your shelf has minimal available space. There just isn't enough room for 2 side-by-side CFS or even 1 on each side. You would need to stack the CFS. However, when stacking your CFS, you still need CFSs. When stacking your CFSs, you still need room to open the lid and close the lid, or at the very least, room to move the CFSs into position that allow you to open and close that lid. I'm here today with a cheap, easy solution that you might be able to get at your local Mart of Wall right now, today. That solution is right here. Hold on. Thanks to my FlexiSpot desk, I can move it. That solution is right here in this Mart of Wall Hyper Tough shelf. This is a 20 by 12 by 32 shelf, and it just so happens to be perfect for your CFS. We are going to use only 1 or perhaps 2 of these shelves. Let me show you. Open up your state-of-the-art Hyper Tough shelf and pick 1 shelf. Put it together by simply hammering in 4 legs. That's it, you're done. Now, I know this looks super stable. It's stable enough for what we're gonna do. However, if you want more stability, you can take a second shelf and simply install it as a bottom to this setup. However, building it this way gives you easier access and more flexibility. Let me show you how. Let's pretend this is your shelf and this is your printer. Creality High, Creality K2 Plus, K1 with the CFS update mod. Doesn't matter, it's your printer. And you've got 2 CFSs, but only room for 1 CFS. We take our newly built bottom of the line shelf and drop it on top of CFS number 1. CFS number 2 goes right on top. It's almost as if it was made for the CFSs. Position your units toward the back of your table or shelf. This gives you easy access to the top CFS, and when you need access to the bottom CFS, you simply slide it forward, open the lid, and use it as normal. The further forward you can slide it, the further you can open the door and the easier the access gets. However, the good news, even with limited access, the CFS design, even with minimal opening, allows plenty of room to remove and insert your filament spools. Here in my workshop, you can see my K2 Plus and the 2 CFS on these very same shelves. To access this CFS, I simply slide it forward, open the lid, and have easy access to my filament spools. If this shelf was longer, I could do one of these on each side and have 4 CFS. CFS for life. And that's it. An easy, cost-effective way to stack 2 CFSs for your Creality printers. I will leave a link in the description. I'm Great Adventure, and you're on 3D Rundown.